Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate on how to view and customize summary cards within the Leads application. Summary cards display the count of leads based on their type. This can be either lead statuses and channel or source types of the leads. The user can add or remove the summary cards by clicking on the Settings button and selecting or deselecting the required summary cards and clicking the Save button. The changes are reflected in the landing page. If you click on any type of summary card, the particular leads of the selected category is retrieved and displayed. Thank you for watching.